Greetings to all and welcome to Chapanawabganj TV. I am starting today's news. Faradiba Borno is with you. First of all, the news headlines of Monamia Agricultural Farm. 3 people including a child were killed in a lightning strike in Chapanawabganj. In Chapanawabganj, 29 more corona were identified. Initiatives of the youth to provide oxygen services to the corona patients. The titles are given so long, this time in detail. A child and 2 mango traders were killed in a lightning strike in Sodor and Nachol Upojelas of Chapanawabganj. 2 mango traders were killed in a lightning strike while planting mangoes in a mango orchard in Babudaing area of Chapanawabganj. They are Abdur Rahman, son of late Daud Ali of Bortolahat area of Chapanawabganj municipality, and Mesbaul Haq, son of Nozrul Islam of the same area. They were both killed in a mango orchard when lightning struck during a sudden storm around 5 p.m. on Thursday. On the other hand, Farzana Khatun, daughter of Abdur Rahman of Alishapur village in Fatehpur Union of Nachol Upojela, died in a lightning strike when the storm started. Chapanawabganj Municipality Councillor Abdul Barek said that several people including Abdur Rahman and Mesbaul were working in the mango orchard bought in Babudaing area. They both died on the spot. Chapanawabganj Sodor Upojela Project Implementation Officer Modud Alam Kha said the families of the 2 people killed in the lightning strike would be assisted by the Upojela Porishod as per government rules. Abdul Sattar, a ward member of Fatehpur Union, said Farzana died on the spot at around 5 p.m. when lightning struck her while she was trying to surround the ducks in the field next to her house. The health department has informed that 29 more corona have been identified in Chapanawabganj. On Thursday evening, a sample of 84 people from the corona lab of Rajshahi Medical College Hospital tested positive for 29 corona. Meanwhile, Ahnaf Shariar, a doctor at the corona unit of Chapanawabganj Sodor Hospital, said there were no vaccines in the corona unit of the hospital, where 51 people were admitted as opposed to 50 seats. The youths have taken initiative to provide free oxygen service to the corona patients in different areas of Chapanawabganj. Dr. Golam Rabbani is staying with the initiative of the voluntary organization Health Services Group. Dr. Golam Rabbani inaugurated the initiative on Thursday afternoon. He said that if any corona-affected patient in Chapanawabganj municipal area needs oxygen, they can reach their homes quickly by contacting the hotline number of the healthcare group. The organization has asked to contact 3 numbers to get cooperation. They are 017 23 96 143, 017 48 33 64 01 and 017 400 5360. Finally, considering the current situation in corona, I urge everyone to abide by the hygiene rules. Today, I am concluding the news bulletin of Chapanawabganj TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel of Chapanawabganj TV to get regular updates. You can also join as citizen journalism. Contact us at 01316 025972 to report any news in your area. Goodbye for today and good night.
নিয়মিত চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জের সংবাদ পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জ টিভি ইউটিউব চ্যানেল।